What's up, y'all? It's Drew from SCA Performance, back with a Ford F-250 Black Widow. It's dying for some camera time, so how about we show it off? Let's go. This 2019 SCA Ford F-250 Black Widow is Super Duty on steroids. We've combined signature SCA design with powerful performance upgrades to create the undisputed king of all F-250 trucks. Let's take a closer look, starting with the suspension, and I'll show you what I mean. The F-250 Black Widow has been equipped with a 6-inch suspension lift system designed for a seamless transition between the aggressive demands of off-road capability and superior on-road drivability. Upgraded front coil springs and front and rear performance shocks are just a few of the suspension components utilized to achieve lift and help give the F-250 Black Widow its aggressive stance. A heavy-duty truck calls for a tire able to conquer any terrain, so we outfitted the Ford F-250 Black Widow with top-of-the-line 37 1350 R20 BF Goodrich mud terrain KM3s. And the KM3 is BFG's newest rendition of their famous mud terrain tire. Improved rubber compounds and updated tread and sidewall design have increased both durability and puncture resistance while providing incredible traction on all terrain types in all weather conditions. The KM3 also offers one of the quietest on-road driving experiences of any mud terrain tire. The 37-inch BFGs are mounted on 20x9 SCA Black Widow wheels. Our 20-inch wheels have been engineered with a 4.5-inch back spacing and a negative 12mm offset to sit flush with the fender flares. The concave style and gloss black with milled spoke finish give the wheels that bold look the Black Widow is known for. The finish is also made to stand up to harsh road conditions like those experienced in winter up north or near the coast, and in factory testing, they actually exceed the OE manufacturer's standards for durability and quality. The suspension, wheels, and tires are tested to verify FMVSS compliance. We've also calibrated the truck's speedometer, ensuring you get an accurate speed reading even with the larger tire diameters. The SCA Ford F-250 Black Widow comes equipped with power running boards, which offer an aerodynamic design and extend a few inches lower than standard side steps for easy access to the cab and truck bed. SCA bolt-on style fender flares enhance the Black Widow's powerful styling, and the integrated mud deflectors help protect the truck body from debris. The F-250 Black Widow interior has also been given quite a few upgrades as well, so let's take a look at those. The first thing you'll notice is the painted interior trim. Now, the default option for this trim is gloss black like you see here, but we can also accommodate custom options such as matte clear coat, and we can even match the interior to the exterior of the truck. Finally, we've installed Black Widow speedometer gauges and custom leather interior with Black Widow stitched headrests. Well, that wraps up this SCA Ford F-250 Black Widow showcase. For more information on us, our products, and to find an SCA partnering dealer near you, just visit scaperformance.com.